Alright, what's going on, guys? Is. Oh, frick, I just messed that up. What is going on, guys? Today is going to be a trade recap of the 4th of March. Um, I did unfortunately lose most of my trades today, so we are down about $100 on the day, which isn't bad at all, but I would rather be break even than be down. So, it's okay. We'll come back tomorrow. But I wanted to share the setup with you guys because this just happened, and I did take this on my funded, but I only took it to a 1-to-1 because I wasn't extremely confident in it, which now I know better, obviously. But yeah. So first off, we are clearly bearish, like trending down on the daily. We also swept the daily high, the previous day high, right here. Previous day is right here. We swept that. So we got on a 4 hour. We are in a 4 hour imbalance, right? And since we're going down, and we have, even if we were to change bullish because of this change of character or CSD, whatever you want to call it, right here, we do still have this 4 hour imbalance right here and right here. So there's no reason for them not to get filled, right? We also have 1 hour imbalances. That's a FFVG right there. Um, and then going down on the 15 minute, inside of that 4 hour, we have a 15 minute liquidity sweep right here. And then from there, right, we have these internal lows that we could target. And then if we go down to the 5 minute, we have, some accumulation right here, but the closing pressure on that candle was pretty good for that inverse. So that's where I entered. I did enter right here. I took profit right here though for like a 1-to-1 because my stop was like up here or something. Um, but I should have had my take profit right there because that is the gap that we need to fill. Which, as you guys could tell, it took what 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. So like a half hour to. It's like, yeah. So, and then this one I got pissed because I was gonna be like, okay, we're gonna fill the CE of this 5 minute. I literally had a limit for the CE. We came a tick away from hitting it, so I did not get filled, which I was pissed off. But it happens. But yeah, your break even was this first internal low that got taken because there is some low resistance liquidity laying around here. Um, so yeah, I mean, wait, LR. There we go. Okay. Oh shoot. Whoopsies. Not that. Not me to do that. Middle center. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna put low resistance liquidity. We do have some low resistance liquidity right here, which is another thing. All of these do need to get taken out. Um, but it is also kind of discretionary because I have seen throughout all my back testing, whenever price chops around like this inside of a fair value gap and closes outside of it, it has a massive move in that direction. So this gave me a lot of confidence. Um, and yeah, I mean, I should have. I wasn't extremely confident just because on the was it like on the 4 hour or something? The yeah, on the 1 hour, that's what it was. We have external liquidity right here that I thought was gonna get swept, especially because we had a market maker buy model right here. I thought this was a swept high, and both of these highs needed to get swept. I thought that price could go up, sweep these highs, rebalance into this untapped 1 hour, and then continue down to take all this out. But and that's the reason I went 1-to-1. But overall, I probably should have just trusted my analysis and went here. But it happens. I'm not mad at all. Um, and yeah, I mean, like, this itself could be another trade right here, right? If we sweep these lows, right? And then we come into this 5 minute. imbalance, which we already are, and then we sweep this 5 minute right here. But that's just you know so yeah. So that's basically what it was. That was my thought process. 4 hour fair value gap. Swept the daily high. Also swept New York highs. Low resistance liquidity sweep, inverse fair value gap, break even at the internal low, and bang. So I caught a portion of this. I did catch my piece of the pie, so I am happy, but I do wish I would have kept my take profit down here because that's where it was at first. But it happens. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'm getting a lot better with trading, mentally at least. And yeah, I will see you guys later.